Namaskar, welcome to BK Research Channel. My viewers, watch these beautiful scenes and sceneries. I do hope that you will like it. I do hope that you will like it. After that, I will give you my message to all of you. My dear viewers, honorable spectators, onlookers, and my subscriber, I am thankful to all of you who have encouraged me, who have given me enthusiasm, new energy, so that I will tell you something. And I do hope that our viewers will like it. And now let us start our topic. And today's topic is national unity. Gentlemen, I would like to tell you that national unity is very important thing. राष्ट्रीय एकता और अखंडता हम सब के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। क्यों है, हम लोग इस पर बात करेंगे। ये राष्ट्रीय एकता से जुड़ा हुआ मसला है और चूँकि इंग्लिश ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव होता है, इसलिए मैं अपने विचार को अंग्रेज़ी भाषा के माध्यम से आप तक रखना चाहता हूँ। Gentlemen, at present we have already observed condition of Palestine and Netanyahu, France or Israel, Israel and Palestine problem. We have watched now at present Afghanistan, our neighboring country, is in problem. We are facing a lot of problem in Jammu and Kashmir, in Bihar and Jharkhand, Assam. Naxalism is a problem, great problem. Naxal people are killing, murdering our soldiers, brave soldiers of India. They are not satisfied with Indian constitution perhaps. They are doing illegal things. They are against of road making, bridge making, against of development work, and they are making harm to our national unity and integrity. Militants, terrorists are disturbing the peace and harmony of our country. How can we save our nation? How can we save our nation? How can we save our nation? एक इंडिया, एक भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत। दोस्तों, आज यह जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है राष्ट्रीय एकता क्यों आवश्यक है। हम हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में हैं भाई भाई, सिर्फ किताबों में पढ़ते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में नहीं उतारते हैं। उतारना होगा। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में है भाई भाई, ये प्रैक्टिकल में लाना होगा। भारत के सभी नागरिक, सभी वैध नागरिक भारत माँ के संतान हैं। अखंड भारत, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत कैसे बनेगा? निश्चित रूप से सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, ये नारा तो दी गई। क्या सबका साथ है, सबका विकास है, सबका विश्वास है? तो जनता, जब तक हम पब्लिक नहीं जागरूक होंगे तब तक ये सब संभव नहीं हो सकेगा। सिर्फ नारा देने से बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाने से बेटी बच जाएगी, बेटी पढ़ जाएगी, ऐसा नहीं। प्रैक्टिकली गार्जियंस को, अभिभावक को सोचना होगा हम अपने बेटी को कैसे पढ़ाएं। क्यों हम बेटे को पढ़ाने के लिए अपना ज़मीन जगह बेचते हैं, ऋण कर्जा भी ले लेते हैं और बेटी को पढ़ाने के लिए हम उदासीन हो जाते हैं? क्यों? बहुत सारे ऐसे गार्जियन हैं आजकल मतलब कि सकारात्मक सोच के साथ, पॉजिटिव थॉट्स के साथ बेटी को भी पढ़ा रहे हैं। शिक्षा होगा, लोग शिक्षित होंगे तो निश्चित रूप से राष्ट्रीय एकता के बारे में समझेंगे। अब हमारे मज़दूर भाई जो खेत में हल जोत रहा है, उसी खेत में जो मज़दूर थोकड़ा ओल रहा है या फसल की निकाई गुड़ाई कर रहा है, उससे पूछिएगा कि राष्ट्रीय एकता के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है। उस शब्द का भी अर्थ नहीं समझेंगे, उनका ख्याल क्या जानेंगे हम और आप। शिक्षित पढ़े लिखे लोगों के लिए राष्ट्रीय एकता जो है बहुत मायने रखता है। और शिक्षित पढ़े लिखे लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है समाज के उन तबके के लोगों तक यह मैसेज पहुंचाना, यह जानकारी देना कि राष्ट्रीय एकता क्यों ज़रूरी है, क्यों हमें आपसी मनमुटाव, आपसी मतभेद को भुला देना चाहिए, क्यों भारत को, संपूर्ण भारत को एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की जो नारा है उसको सार्थक कैसे हम बनाएं, क्यों राष्ट्रीय एकता ज़रूरी है। आज देखिए, अगर हम सब एक मिले रहेंगे, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइडेड वी फॉल। जब हम सब एक बने रहेंगे, एक बनो नेक बनो, एकताबद्ध होंगे। महाभारत में महर्षि वेदव्यास ने लिखा है, वयं पंच शतानिते अन्य सह विवादेतु वयं पंचाधिक शतम। हम पाँच हैं। पांडव ने कहा था कि जब दूसरे से झगड़ा हो जाएगा, दूसरे से विवाद हो जाएगा तो हम कौरव को लगा करके 105 है। तो वही भाव हो। आप बेटी रोटी का जहाँ तक संबंध है, आप बेटी रोटी में अपनी गरिमा को, अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को बचाए रखें। कोई भारतीय संविधान तो कह रहा है सभी यहाँ स्वतंत्र हैं, सेकुलरिज्म है हमारे यहाँ, सभी स्वतंत्र हैं। जिस धर्म को अपनाना चाहें अपनाएं, जो भी खान पान रखना चाहें रखें, ये भारतीय संविधान है। और भारतीय संविधान का अगर हम सभी पालन करेंगे तो आपसी मनमुटाव, आपसी भेदभाव, आपसी तकरार की कोई आवश्यकता ही नहीं होगी। होगी क्या? नहीं होगी। तो फॉर नेशनल यूनिटी वी हैव टू बी united ourselves, not by words, by thoughts, by deeds, by actions. We have to be united, my dear. Because imagine yourself, when we were living in joint family, we were getting affections of our uncle, aunties, grandfather, grandmother, cousin, niece, nephew, each and every member of the family paying proper regard to you, and they are assembled when someone in the family is in problem. They all wanted to cooperate, they wanted to help. This is the power of joint family, you know. But in this present time, people do not believe in joint family. They are living in, you know, कहते हैं यूनि फैमिली, एकल परिवार, पति पत्नी और बच्चे। दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फैमिली एट प्रेजेंट. सो वट एवर द रीजन्स आर, वी हैव नॉट टू डिस्कस, वी हैव टू डिस्कस दैट हाउ कैन वी मेंटेन नेशनल यूनिटी, who will come forward to maintain it. Let us forget Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whatever communities we are belonging to, that makes no difference, my dear. When we are talking about India, about Bharatvarsh, about Bharat Mata, about whole nation, then an extra feeling occurs in our heart, that is unity, national unity. Why we show our love and affection and regard only on 15th August and 26th January? Why? Each and every day is 15th August, each and every day is 26th January. Suppose someone wants to disturb the peace and harmony of our nation, we have to go ahead. We have to come forward and make them understand India is the land of brave people. India is the land of brave daughters. India is the land of brave sons and daughters who have sacrificed their life to get India free. Imagine yourself, today in the class I have given an example about our national, about our patriots in our area, our patriots who are working for the freedom of India before 1947. They used to live in the wells using a rope in his waist. That rope was connected to a pillar surrounding the well, kuwa. There are a lot of meaning of well. And they used to live in under the well because English forces, English people, English police, British police was searching such fellows who used to come forward to get India free. They did not care about their families. I have taught a chapter in class 8. That was Marathi story, translated by someone. In that very story, this author wants to explain that there was a family. There was a Basanti's family. She has got one brother, Srikant, and one more sister, Pammi. Her mother was a teacher in English medium school. And Basanti has not a piece of cloth for her needlework in the school. And school administration doesn't care at all. School education, the headmistress of the school wants to humiliate Basanti in the class before all students. Do you know why? Because Basanti's father was in jail. He was a freedom fighter. He didn't care about his family. He was in jail. He fought against British people to get India free. He doesn't care. He didn't care about his family, about his wife, about his two daughters and one son. They are starving. They are facing a lot of problems. And her man earner, her father was in jail. Why he was in jail? Because he wants to get India free. He has national unity in his heart. He has such type of feeling. He didn't care about his family. But at present, who will go jail? Who will go to jail for the betterment of India, for the sake of national unity? Nobody. I think nobody, my dear. So such type of temperament, such type of environment, such type of situation should recreate once again, like the temperament, the nature of Bhagat Singh, the temperament, the nature of Subhash Chandra Bose, the temperament and nature of Lala Lajpat Rai, who was died, who was murdered due to lathi charge because he wants to show his protest against British people. I don't know whether Bhagat Singh will reborn on this earth. Such such courageous freedom fighters will reborn on this earth. Now we are Indians, we are nationalists, we are the responsible citizen of India, and we have to take care about our country. We have to take care about national unity. We have to take care about Bharat Mata. We have to take care about our surroundings. Those who don't understand this phenomena, these circumstances, because they are uneducated or they are selfish or they are commercial, we should make awareness among those people. In this way, our national unity will be stronger and stronger. One day, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, one nation, one card, one nation, one national unity should be done. Thank you very much.